Simbas aria ni njorua cia Elgon Cup magatongorio ni muthaki Wilson Kapundo uria ugateithania na George Nyambua wa Kabra Sugar kuihuria mathenya ma athaki Simon Muniafu na Oliver Mangeni. Ugaruruku ugi uria wiyumiririe muthenya wa umuthi ni muthaki wa Impala Saracens Leo Seje kuihuria ithenya ria Patrice Agunda wa Harlequins.
When you start playing at that level, especially for 15, it requires a lot more, than your time on the pitch. So it's all about attitude and the approach. And I think those games have really tested us. They've shown us areas in which we need to improve on, which I believe the technical team has addressed.
Athaki agi aria makanyita itemi mbitika-ini ici ni hamwe na David Mukiza uria uthakaga na timu ya KCB, David Abunya wa timu ya Harlequins, Jacob Ojeu wa timu ya KCB, Moses Amusala, David Chenge gatagatika agi aigi.
As forwards, you need players of that particular side who complement the rest of the forwards who are here. Obviously, we all have areas of improvement, and I think the game will be up to them in the forwards. Wilson Kapundo, Oliver Mangeni, everyone has a role to play.
Rita ria muthi ya timu ici ciari gutungana kwari mwaka wa 2015 kuria timu ya Simbas mayukirie uhotani wa pointi 46 wa pointi 15. Gukirigwo timu ya Simbas igakorwo na kibarua kiritu gutetera uhotani itena ria keri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo mwĩhaki wa Ndogo.